This is the cleanest country in Africa. This clean, beautiful, and tidy place is Kigali, the capital of Rwanda. There's no mess, no heat, no law and order. Walking along the streets and alleys, you will find that the infrastructure here is very good and clean. Vehicles and pedestrians on the road are orderly and not chaotic. You can even feel the feeling of being yielded to by the vehicles here, which is something you can't find in other countries in Africa. Taxis in Rwanda are mainly motorbikes. They all wear helmets and obey the traffic rules. Even if you are a passenger, you have to wear a helmet to start. Rwanda is still an underdeveloped country with few resources, and people are not working hard. But the security is good. The people are simple. They are environmentally friendly, clean and tidy. And the city planning is very good, with neat and tidy buildings lined up. Follow me, and I'll show you a different world.